In a historic turn of events, the Bharatiya Janata Party has swept the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections, winning 48 out of 70 seats, bringing an end to the Aam Aadmi Party's 10-year rule. But how did the BJP pull this off after being out of power in Delhi for 27 years? Let's break it down. BJP didn't just wait for the elections to begin. They started their campaign way ahead of time. And what was their strategy? Targeting the weaknesses of the Aam Aadmi Party. From the Sheesh Mahal controversy, where Kejriwal was accused of spending 45 crores on his house, to the infamous excise policy case, BJP set the narrative early. He used these issues to question AAP's credibility and gain voter trust. Basically, BJP ensured that before AAP could promote their work, people were already talking about their failures. Smart move, right? Delhi's middle-class voters had been a major support base for AAP. But in 2025, things changed. Why? Because of the real issues. Bad roads, never-ending traffic, rising pollution, and the dirty Yamuna River. People started questioning AAP's governance. BJP capitalized on this frustration by promising better urban planning and infrastructure development. But they didn't stop there. They also announced the 8th Pay Commission and tax reliefs, appealing to government employees and middle-class taxpayers. And guess what? It worked. One of AAP's strongest points was their welfare schemes, like free electricity, water, and education. But BJP turned this strength into a weakness. They raised questions about fake medicines in Mohalla clinics and ghost patients in hospitals. Even the Delhi Jal Board was accused of mismanagement. And when BJP pointed out that the Yamuna River was still polluted, despite hundreds of crores spent, people started losing faith in AAP's governance. Power was a man by people, a simple sweater-wearing crusader against corruption. But that image started crumbling over time. From the Sheesh Mahal controversy to allegations of corruption, Kejriwal went from being the Aam Aadmi, or the common man, to looking like just another politician. And in politics, perception matters. And of course, you cannot ignore the Modi factor. PM Modi personally campaigned in Delhi, promising a double-engine government where both the centre and the state would work together for better governance. This gave BJP the final push they needed. Modi's popularity, combined with strong local leadership, helped BJP dominate the elections. So, what's next for Delhi? Will BJP deliver on its promises, or will we see AAP make a comeback in the next election? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on Indian politics.